Pawn special mode. En-passant. An en-passant pawn capture is a special move made by the pawn. It has many rules and is scarcely used in games, but its importance should not be undermined. Rules of en-passant. The rules of en-passant are as follows. The pawn doing the capture must be on its 5th rank. The pawn doing the capture and the pawn getting captured must be on adjacent ranks. The pawn getting captured must have moved 2 squares in one move from its starting point. Rules of en-passant. The pawn doing the capturing captures the pawn as if it had only moved 1 square. The move should be performed immediately after the conditions are met, otherwise the opportunity to en-passant is lost. Promotion. Another special move and pawn can perform is called promotion. Promotion occurs when a pawn moves to the final rank, i.e. the 8th rank for white and the 1st rank for black. When this happens, the pawn becomes a stronger piece, i.e. a knight, bishop, rook, and even a queen.